Greetings, esteemed travelers. Prepare to be enchanted as we embark on a magnificent journey into the lap of opulence, unveiling the majestic charm of London's most distinguished hotels. This isn't just a stroll through luxury, it's a grand exploration, a deep dive into the very essence of each establishment. Join us as we unravel the secrets of their lavish suites, rejuvenating spas, and gastronomic wonders, immersing ourselves in the luxurious tapestry that defines London's hospitality. So fasten your seatbelts, for you are about to embark on a royal odyssey through the heart of opulence in the grand city of London. And of course, no London experience is complete without indulging in the city's diverse culinary scene. From traditional British pubs serving hearty fare to Michelin-starred restaurants offering exquisite gastronomic delights, London's culinary landscape is a journey in itself. As we delve into the opulence of each hotel, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more exclusive content. Share this royal odyssey with your fellow travelers, and let the world know about the grandeur that awaits in London. Stay tuned as we unravel more hidden gems and travel secrets. Your journey into luxury has just begun. Nestled in the heart of Knightsbridge, Bulgari Hotel London stands as a testament to unparalleled luxury. The suites, adorned with Italian craftsmanship, offer a haven of elegance and comfort. From panoramic city views to bespoke furnishings, each detail speaks of opulence. The spa, a sanctuary of tranquility, invites guests to indulge in personalized treatments, while Rivea, the on-site restaurant, promises a culinary journey through Mediterranean delights. Transitioning to the iconic Piccadilly Circus, our journey brings us to Hotel Café Royal, where suites are more than mere rooms. They are immersive experiences that flawlessly intertwine contemporary design with historic charm. Adorned with luxurious amenities and boasting breathtaking views, each suite is a testament to refined elegance. The Akasha Holistic Wellbeing Center stands as an invitation to relaxation, offering a sanctuary where mind and body find rejuvenation. Meanwhile, the Oscar Wilde Lounge provides a haven for those seeking a refined afternoon tea experience in an exquisite setting. Hotel Café Royal is not just a place to stay. It's a destination that encapsulates the essence of luxury, where modernity harmonizes with history, and every corner reveals a new facet of opulence in the heart of Piccadilly Circus. Step into the epitome of luxury as we unveil Hotel Corinthia London, nestled near the iconic Trafalgar Square. Beyond mere accommodations, the lavish suites beckon you into an intimate escape, seamlessly blending modern elegance with breathtaking views of the city. The Life Spa, a sanctuary of tranquility, elevates wellness to new heights, offering bespoke treatments that rejuvenate both the mind and body. At Massimo Restaurant and Oyster Bar, embark on a culinary adventure through authentic Italian flavors, savoring every meticulously crafted bite in this opulent haven. The experience at Hotel Corinthia is not just a stay, it's a sensory journey where each element, from the luxurious suites to the rejuvenating spa and exquisite dining, converges to create an unparalleled haven of indulgence in the heart of London. Nestled in the proximity of the historic Tower of London, the Four Seasons at Trinity Square beckons guests into a realm of opulence. The spacious suites redefine luxury, each a masterpiece harmonizing comfort with aesthetic allure. Providing unparalleled views, these accommodations transport guests into a world of refinement. The Roman-inspired spa within this haven offers more than a retreat. It's a sanctuary of tranquility, where bespoke treatments and soothing atmospheres intertwine for a rejuvenating experience. Meanwhile, the Mei Ume restaurant stands as a culinary gem, presenting a fusion of Chinese and Japanese cuisine in an elegant setting. From the carefully crafted interiors of the suites to the culinary delights at Mei Ume, the Four Seasons at Trinity Square delivers an immersive experience, inviting guests to indulge in the epitome of sophisticated living. Our journey now leads us to the iconic Ritz, where suites transcend mere accommodations and become portals to timeless elegance. The Ritz Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation, offering a bespoke experience. Culinary enthusiasts will find joy at the Palm Court, where the quintessential British afternoon tea becomes an unforgettable experience, surrounded by opulent decor and impeccable service. Embark on an unparalleled Asian-inspired journey at Peninsula London, where suites redefine the very notion of modern luxury. Cutting-edge technology harmoniously meets elegance, creating a haven for discerning travelers. The spa, a haven of tranquility, seamlessly blends traditional and modern treatments. Mei-ume and the lobby, Peninsula's distinguished restaurants, offer a fusion of Asian and European culinary delights, taking your taste buds on a mesmerizing journey. Continuing our enchanting exploration near the verdant expanse of Hyde Park, the Lanesborough unfolds as a veritable realm of regal grandeur. Each suite within this luxurious haven is nothing short of a masterpiece, seamlessly blending the elegance of the 19th century with contemporary comforts. The rooms are a visual symphony, a testament to meticulous design and opulence. The journey of indulgence extends beyond the suites to the club and spa, where guests are invited to partake in a holistic wellness experience. It's not just a spa, it's a sanctuary where mind, body, and soul find rejuvenation amid serene surroundings. Furthering the allure of the Lanesborough is the Celeste Restaurant, a culinary gem that transcends ordinary dining. Here, gastronomic delights unfold in a refined setting, offering a culinary journey fit for royalty. The exquisite fusion of historic charm, modern comforts, wellness, and culinary excellence positions the Lanesborough as an unparalleled destination for those seeking a regal and immersive experience in the heart of London's prestigious landscape. Savoy, a harmonious blend of Art Deco and Edwardian elegance, offers opulent suites that transcend time. These spaces are not just accommodations, they are a journey into the past, where luxury meets history. The iconic Savoy Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation, and gourmet creations await at Casper's at the Savoy or Simpsons in the Strand, promising an unforgettable culinary experience. Experience unparalleled luxury at Shangri-La, nestled within the Shard as you ascend to new heights in London's skyline. The suites offer not just panoramic views, but an immersion into Asian-inspired opulence, seamlessly blending comfort and aesthetics. Gong Bar, Tia Eng Restaurant, and the spa collectively form a trifecta of indulgence against the iconic backdrop. Here, every moment is elevated to the extraordinary, inviting guests to savor a world where London's splendor unfolds beneath them. Shangri-La's claim to fame, the tallest pool and bar in London, adds an extra layer of allure, allowing guests to take a dip in the sky and savor cocktails at Gong Bar on the 52nd floor. This is not just a hotel. It's a sensory journey that captures the essence of London's sophistication and diversity in every breathtaking detail. In our grand finale, we arrive at the heart of London to unveil the Langham, a true testament to Victorian grandeur. The suites, meticulously designed, seamlessly marry modern comforts with timeless elegance. Each suite is a masterpiece, a canvas of luxury where every detail whispers sophistication. The indulgence continues at Chuan Body Plus Soul Spa, a haven that rejuvenates the senses and transports guests into a realm of relaxation. As the crescendo of opulence reaches its peak, Rue at the Landau takes center stage, offering a Michelin-starred dining experience that promises culinary delights. Set against a backdrop that echoes the grandeur of the past, every moment at the Langham is a symphony of luxury, capturing the essence of London's rich history and contemporary allure. Discover more with us, delving deeper into London's culinary and travel wonders. But hold on, dear explorers, the adventure doesn't end here. There's a treasure trove of experiences waiting for you. Dive into our extensive collection of videos, including the sensational Top 10 Restaurants in London. In this culinary expedition, we unearth the hidden gems that transform London into a gastronomic paradise. From quaint eateries to Michelin-starred marvels, we leave no culinary stone unturned. Now, as you embark on planning your London getaway, we invite you to be a part of our community. Engage with us, share your thoughts, and become a co-creator of our travel adventures. Which London landmark stole your heart? London is brimming with iconic landmarks. Tell us about the one that left an indelible mark on your travel journey. Before you chart your course for London, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Explore with us as we showcase the best of London's culinary and travel delights. Until our next rendezvous, stay fabulous and keep those comments coming.